Our home, Earth. A familiar blue marble suspended in the cosmic tapestry, seemingly an open book to our collective understanding. Yet beneath its verdant forests, sprawling oceans and towering peaks, lies a world far more intricate and astonishing than most could ever imagine. We often take for granted the ground beneath our feet, the air in our lungs, and the vibrant life that surrounds us, rarely pausing to consider the profound wonders that coalesce to create this unique planetary haven. What if everything you thought you knew about Earth was merely the surface of an infinitely deeper truth? Consider for a moment, Fact 1. Earth is not a perfect sphere. Instead, it is an oblate spheroid, bulging slightly at the equator due to its constant rotation. This subtle, yet significant, deviation from a perfect roundness is a testament to the dynamic forces at play shaping our planet. This rotational dance leads directly to Fact 2. At the equator, the Earth spins at an astonishing speed of roughly 1,037 miles per hour. While we feel nothing of this incredible velocity, it is a constant, foundational motion influencing everything from weather patterns to the very shape of our world. Guarding this spinning marvel is Fact 3. Earth's powerful magnetic field, an invisible shield generated deep within its core. This magnetosphere deflects harmful solar winds and cosmic radiation, making life on the surface possible. Without it, our atmosphere would be stripped away, leaving a barren, lifeless rock. This protection has been in place for an unfathomable duration, as Fact 4 reveals. The Earth itself is approximately 54 billion years old, a timeline so vast it dwarfs human history into an insignificant blink. As we gaze upon our planet from space, Fact 5 becomes strikingly evident. Roughly 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water. This vast liquid expanse, the true defining feature of our world, holds incredible secrets. Within these depths lies Fact 6. The Mariana Trench, the deepest point in any ocean, plunges to an astonishing 36,070 feet below sea level, a realm of crushing pressure and enigmatic life forms. Contrast this with Fact 7, Mount Everest, the highest point on land, reaching 29,031 feet above sea level, a cold, wind-swept sentinel against the sky. These extreme elevations and depressions highlight the dramatic topography of our home. Delving deeper, Fact 8 unveils the Earth's core, a superheated sphere primarily composed of iron and nickel, with temperatures soaring as high as 900 degrees Fahrenheit, rivaling the surface of the sun. This immense internal heat drives Fact 9, the relentless movement of tectonic plates. These colossal slabs of Earth's crust are constantly grinding, colliding, and separating, shaping continents, raising mountains, and triggering earthquakes. This dynamic process is nowhere more evident than in Fact 10. The Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped zone around the Pacific Ocean, where approximately 90% of the world's earthquakes and 75% of its volcanoes occur, a vivid demonstration of planetary unrest. Despite the abundance of water, Fact 11 presents a stark reality. Only about 3% of Earth's water is fresh, and a significant portion of that is locked away in glaciers and ice caps, making readily available drinking water a precious commodity. This delicate balance of resources underscores Fact 12, Earth's unique position in the solar system, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for liquid water, and consequently, for life to flourish. Our celestial companion also plays a crucial role, as Fact 13 reveals. The Moon stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, preventing dramatic wobbles that could lead to extreme climate shifts, thereby maintaining the long-term stability essential for complex ecosystems. Above us, Fact 14 details Earth's atmosphere, a multi-layered blanket of gases comprising the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere, each playing a vital role in regulating temperature and protecting the surface. But where did the oxygen, so crucial for most life, originate? Fact 15. The vast majority of Earth's oxygen was produced by photosynthetic organisms, primarily ancient cyanobacteria, over billions of years, slowly transforming a hostile early atmosphere into the life-sustaining air we breathe today. This constant, subtle transformation continues, a silent testament to Earth's ongoing, intricate dance of change. The Earth, a world we've begun to understand through its fundamental characteristics, its shape, age, and watery expanse, is far more than a static orb. It is a crucible of immense power, a dynamic system where forces, often unseen, constantly sculpt and reshape its very being. These forces, both internal and external, are the architects of the incredible landscapes we inhabit, and the dramatic events that punctuate our planet's history. Consider Fact 16, the power of volcanic eruptions. These fiery spectacles, born from the Earth's molten interior, can release energy equivalent to thousands of atomic bombs, spewing ash miles into the atmosphere and reshaping entire regions in moments. From this same intense pressure and heat, deep within the Earth's mantle, emerges Fact 17, the formation of diamonds. These gemstones, symbols of enduring beauty, are literally forged under extreme conditions, a testament to the planet's internal furnace. This subterranean activity also plays a crucial role in Fact 18, the creation of mountain ranges. As tectonic plates collide, the Earth's crust buckles and folds, slowly pushing land masses skyward over millions of years, forming majestic peaks that stand as silent witnesses to colossal geological battles. Yet, the Earth's power is not confined to land. The oceans, seemingly placid, can unleash devastating energy through Fact 19, the phenomenon of tsunamis. Triggered by underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions, these colossal waves can travel across entire oceans, gaining height and destructive force as they approach shallow coastlines, reminding humanity of the sea's formidable might. On a different timescale, Fact 20 highlights the role of glaciers in shaping landscapes. These slow-moving rivers of ice, remnants of colder eras, carve out valleys, deposit vast amounts of sediment, and sculpt mountains with an inexorable, grinding force, leaving behind unmistakable geological signatures. However, not all changes are grand and immediate. Fact 21 describes the insidious process of desertification, where fertile land gradually transforms into desert, often exacerbated by climate shifts and human activity, slowly consuming arable regions and altering ecosystems. Conversely, sudden violent events from beyond our atmosphere also leave their mark, as seen in Fact 22, the impact of meteoroid strikes. While most burn up harmlessly, larger objects can create immense craters and trigger widespread environmental devastation, a stark reminder of Earth's vulnerability in the cosmos. Life on Earth is inextricably linked to continuous cycles, none more vital than Fact 23, the carbon cycle's importance. Carbon, the building block of life, moves ceaselessly through the atmosphere, oceans, land, and living organisms, regulating Earth's temperature and facilitating biological processes. Equally crucial is Fact 24, the water cycle's continuous movement. Water evaporates, forms clouds, precipitates as rain or snow, and flows back to the oceans, a perpetual motion machine that sustains all life, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale. The Earth's interaction with solar radiation also reveals fascinating dynamics. Fact 25 explains the Earth's albedo effect, where the planet reflects a portion of incoming sunlight back into space. Surfaces like ice caps and clouds have high albedo, playing a significant role in regulating global temperatures. Building on this, Fact 26 clarifies the greenhouse effect, distinguishing between its natural and amplified forms. Naturally, atmospheric gases trap some heat, keeping Earth habitable. However, human activities have amplified this effect, leading to concerns about climate change. The relentless forces of nature also engage in constant, subtle sculpting. Fact 27 details the process of erosion, where wind, water, and ice gradually wear away rock and soil, transporting material and shaping landforms over vast stretches of time. Deep beneath the surface, Fact 28 describes the formation of caves, intricate subterranean networks carved out by water-dissolving soluble rock, creating hidden worlds of stunning beauty. Even the Earth's orientation in space is not entirely fixed. Fact 29 reveals the Earth's wobble, known as precession, a slow, conical motion of its axis over a cycle of approximately 26 years, which gradually shifts the timing of the seasons relative to the planet's position in its orbit. Adding to this cosmic dance, Fact 30 highlights the shifting of the magnetic poles. The Earth's magnetic field, generated by its liquid iron core, is not static, and its poles have reversed numerous times throughout geological history, a phenomenon that continues to intrigue scientists. These incredible facts paint a vivid picture. Earth is a living, dynamic entity, a planetary engine of immense power and ceaseless transformation. It is not merely a stage for life, but an active participant, constantly changing, evolving, and reshaping itself through a symphony of geological, atmospheric, and cosmic forces. This planetary engine, with its immense power and ceaseless transformation, is far more than just a stage. It is an active participant in the grand drama of existence. From the deepest trenches to the highest peaks, from the swirling currents of the oceans to the silent dance of tectonic plates, Earth's geological narrative unfolds with breathtaking complexity. Yet, this dynamic canvas of rock and water, wind and fire, is merely the foundation for an even more astonishing spectacle, the incredible resilience and diversity of life itself. The transition from these powerful geological forces to the biological wonders that populate our world is seamless, illustrating how life has not only adapted, but thrived amidst constant change, carving out niches in the most improbable corners of the planet. The sheer diversity and adaptability of life on Earth are truly astounding, a testament to evolution's relentless creativity. Consider Fact 31, the oldest living organisms on Earth. Bristlecone pines, ancient corals, and even certain bacterial colonies can survive for thousands of years, silent witnesses to millennia of planetary history, embodying a stubborn persistence against the odds. Then there is Fact 32, the deepest dwelling life forms. Far beneath the ocean's surface, in crushing pressures and absolute darkness, hydrothermal vents host entire ecosystems teeming with unique creatures that derive energy not from the sun, but from chemical reactions, defying our conventional understanding of where life can exist. Yet, perhaps the most pervasive form of life is often invisible to the naked eye. Fact 33 reveals the most abundant life form, bacteria and archaea. These microscopic organisms inhabit virtually every corner of the Earth, from the deepest soil to the highest atmosphere, driving countless biogeochemical cycles essential for all other life forms. Their ubiquity is matched only by the extraordinary adaptability of Fact 34, the extremophils that thrive in harsh conditions. These incredible organisms flourish in environments once thought uninhabitable: scalding hot springs, acidic volcanic lakes, radioactive waste, and even inside rocks deep underground, pushing the boundaries of life as we know it. Scaling up, the planet hosts creatures of immense size and intricate design. Fact 35 spotlights the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale, a majestic leviathan that can reach lengths of over 100 feet and weigh more than 200 tons, its massive body perfectly adapted to its oceanic realm. In stark contrast, Fact 36 introduces the smallest animal on Earth, a title frequently debated but often attributed to certain parasitic mites or even microscopic rotifers, so tiny they can barely be seen without powerful magnification, yet possessing complex biological structures. Above ground, Fact 37 points to the tallest trees, the coast redwoods of California, towering hundreds of feet into the sky, their ancient canopies forming ecosystems within themselves, supporting a multitude of other species. These individual wonders are not isolated. They are woven into a vast, intricate tapestry. Fact 38 highlights the interconnectedness of ecosystems, where every species plays a role, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, creating delicate balances that sustain the entire web of life. This interconnectedness is vividly displayed in Fact 39, the biodiversity hotspots, regions teeming with an exceptionally high number of endemic species, yet tragically, often under severe threat. Crucial to these ecosystems, though often overlooked, is Fact 40, the role of fungi in ecosystems. These decomposers are the planet's recyclers, breaking down dead organic matter and returning vital nutrients to the soil, enabling new life to flourish. Life's inherent dynamism is also seen in motion. Fact 41 describes the incredible migrations of animals. From Arctic terns flying pole to pole to wildebeest, traversing African savannas, driven by ancient instincts and the pursuit of sustenance and reproduction. These journeys are often facilitated by Fact 42, the symbiotic relationships in nature, where different species live in close association, often to their mutual benefit, such as clownfish and sea anemones, or mycorrhizal fungi and plant roots. At the very foundation of most terrestrial and aquatic food chains lies Fact 43, the process of photosynthesis, where plants and other organisms convert sunlight into energy, producing the oxygen that sustains animal life and forming the base of almost all food webs. The very genesis of this biological marvel is equally profound. Fact 44 delves into the origins of life on Earth, a scientific quest that continues to unravel the mysteries of how simple organic molecules transitioned into self-replicating organisms billions of years ago. And the story is far from over. Fact 45 emphasizes the ongoing discovery of new species. Every year, scientists identify thousands of previously unknown organisms, from deep-sea creatures to insects in remote rainforests, reminding us that Earth's biological inventory is still incomplete. This constant unveiling leads to a compelling question. How much more life remains undiscovered, and what secrets do these hidden species hold about our planet's past, present, and future? The mysteries hidden above our heads within the Earth's atmosphere are just as profound as those beneath the waves or deep within the crust. This protective, life-sustaining layer is a dynamic canvas of incredible phenomena. Fact 46 reveals the composition of Earth's atmosphere, a delicate blend primarily of nitrogen and oxygen, with trace amounts of argon, carbon dioxide, and other gases, each playing a crucial role in maintaining planetary habitability. It is within this atmospheric embrace that some of nature's most breathtaking light shows unfold, such as Fact 47, the northern and southern lights, or auroras. These ethereal displays of vibrant colors dancing across the polar skies are caused by solar wind particles interacting with Earth's magnetic field and atmospheric gases, transforming the upper atmosphere into a celestial ballet of light. Closer to the ground, the atmosphere showcases raw, electrifying power. Fact 48 details the speed of lightning, an instantaneous burst of electricity that can travel at speeds of up to 220 miles per hour, heating the air to temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun in a fraction of a second, creating the thunder we hear. This immense energy is also harnessed by larger atmospheric systems. Fact 49 describes the power of hurricanes and typhoons, colossal rotating storms fueled by warm ocean waters, capable of unleashing destructive winds, torrential rain, and devastating storm surges, reshaping coastlines and impacting millions of lives. The very genesis of weather begins with the seemingly simple. Fact 50 explains the formation of clouds, which are essentially visible masses of water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the atmosphere, forming when moist air cools and water vapor condenses around microscopic particles like dust or pollen. These clouds, in turn, lead to Fact 51, the different types of precipitation, from gentle rain and fluffy snow to pelting hail and freezing sleet, each a critical component of the global water cycle, replenishing freshwater sources across the globe. High above, invisible rivers of air dictate global weather patterns. Fact 52 introduces the jet stream and its influence on weather, high-altitude, fast-flowing air currents that steer storm systems and dramatically impact temperatures across continents, a silent architect of our daily forecasts. Crucially, the atmosphere harbors a vital shield. Fact 53 highlights the ozone layer's critical function, a region in the stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation, protecting life on the surface from its damaging effects. Without this thin, fragile shield, life as we know it would be impossible. Even higher, defying expectations, are Fact 54. The highest clouds in the atmosphere, known as noctilucent clouds, or night-shining clouds. These iridescent wisps form at altitudes of around 50 miles, far higher than any other cloud type, glowing faintly after sunset as they reflect sunlight from below the horizon. Further into the mesosphere and lower ionosphere, a spectrum of transient luminous events occurs. Fact 55 describes the phenomenon of blue jets and red sprites, spectacular fleeting electrical discharges that shoot upwards from the tops of thunderclouds into space, a vibrant, yet poorly understood, cousin to lightning. The atmosphere also plays a role in human innovation and exploration. Fact 56 explains the sound barrier and its effects, the aerodynamic wall of resistance encountered by objects approaching the speed of sound, a challenge overcome by supersonic aircraft that create dramatic sonic booms as they pass. Even the air itself experiences tides. Fact 57 reveals the Earth's daily atmospheric tides, subtle but measurable rhythmic oscillations in atmospheric pressure and temperature, primarily caused by the sun's heating and the moon's gravitational pull, mirroring the ocean tides. Microscopic particles suspended in the air also play a surprisingly large role. Fact 58 emphasizes the role of dust in the atmosphere, from desert sands to volcanic ash and pollen. These tiny particles act as condensation nuclei for clouds, scatter sunlight to create vibrant sunsets, and can even influence global climate patterns. The sun, our life-giver, also poses atmospheric challenges. Fact 59 explains the impact of solar flares on Earth's atmosphere, powerful bursts of radiation and charged particles from the sun that can disrupt radio communications, GPS signals, and even trigger auroras, reminding us of our cosmic connection. Finally, the atmosphere serves as our ultimate protector. Fact 60 highlights the Earth's atmosphere as a shield from space debris, incinerating millions of meteors every day before they can reach the surface, a silent guardian against cosmic bombardment. This journey through Earth's atmospheric enigmas reveals a complex, dynamic system vital for survival, a fragile envelope of gases that not only sustains life, but also hosts a constant, awe-inspiring display of natural wonders. Beneath the familiar terrain, a hidden world of immense power and profound mystery churns, largely unseen and unheard by those who walk above. This journey into the Earth's depths begins with a fundamental force. Fact 61. The Earth's mantle convection currents. These slow, relentless movements of semi-molten rock within the mantle are the grand architects of plate tectonics, driving continents apart and smashing them together, shaping the very face of our planet over eons. Their unseen dance generates the seismic activity that often reminds us of the planet's restless interior. Deep within the crust, immense pressures and temperatures cultivate geological giants. Fact 62 reveals the existence of supervolcanoes, colossal volcanic systems capable of eruptions thousands of times larger than conventional volcanoes, with the potential to alter global climate for years, even decades. Their rarity belies their terrifying power, a dormant threat lurking beneath the surface, a stark reminder of Earth's raw, untamed might. And what treasures might lie within this fiery heart? Fact 63 suggests the staggering amount of gold in the Earth's core. While inaccessible, scientific estimates propose that the core holds enough precious metal to coat the entire surface of the Earth in a layer 1.5 feet thick, a mind-boggling fortune forever beyond our grasp. Humanity, driven by curiosity and necessity, has dared to probe these depths. Fact 64 showcases the deepest mines on Earth, engineering marvels that plunge kilometers into the crust, extracting minerals and offering a fleeting glimpse into the planet's internal structure. These dark, hot caverns are testaments to human ingenuity and perseverance, but the Earth's internal heat offers more than just minerals. Fact 65 highlights geothermal energy sources, tapping into the planet's natural warmth to provide clean, sustainable power, a testament to harnessing the very forces that shape our world. Venturing deeper, beyond the reach of mines, lies a labyrinth of natural wonders. Fact 66 introduces the largest underground caves, vast subterranean networks carved by water over millennia, adorned with breathtaking formations of stalactites and stalagmites, silent cathedrals of stone that inspire awe and wonder. Even more astonishing is Fact 67, the discovery of underground oceans. Recent research suggests that vast reservoirs of water, far exceeding the volume of all surface oceans combined, are trapped deep within the Earth's mantle, locked within mineral structures, fundamentally altering our understanding of Earth's water cycle. The very heart of our planet is a place of unimaginable extremes. Fact 68 describes the immense pressure at the Earth's core, estimated to be over 3.5 million times the atmospheric pressure at sea level, enough to crush almost anything known to man into an entirely new state. This pressure, combined with incredible heat, is driven by Fact 69, the Earth's internal heat generation. This heat comes from a combination of residual heat from the planet's formation and the ongoing radioactive decay of elements within the core and mantle, fueling the dynamic processes that define our world. This internal furnace creates what might be considered Fact 70, the hottest place on Earth underground, the inner core itself, with temperatures rivaling the surface of the sun. Water, essential for life, also navigates a hidden journey beneath our feet. Fact 71 details the movement of groundwater, slowly percolating through porous rock, filling aquifers and emerging as springs, a vital, often unseen component of the global water cycle. Our understanding of these subterranean realms is largely thanks to Fact 72, the role of seismic waves in understanding Earth's interior. By analyzing how earthquake waves travel through and reflect off different layers, scientists create detailed maps of the Earth's structure, revealing its secrets from thousands of kilometers away. Life, too, finds a way in these extreme environments. Fact 73 speaks of living rocks found deep underground, microbial communities that thrive in the absence of sunlight, deriving energy from chemical reactions within the rock itself, pushing the boundaries of what we consider habitable. The planet's deep past also left us invaluable resources. Fact 74 explains the formation of petroleum and natural gas, ancient organic matter transformed by immense heat and pressure over millions of years into the fossil fuels that power much of our modern world. Even in its stillness, the Earth speaks. Fact 75 reveals the Earth's constant hum from seismic activity, a low-frequency vibration caused by a combination of ocean waves, atmospheric pressure changes, and subtle tectonic shifts, a continuous, almost imperceptible murmur from the planet's restless heart. The vast, unexplored realms beneath the surface truly hold countless secrets, a testament to the profound mysteries that lie just beneath our feet. The Earth's inner world, a realm of immense pressure and hidden life, seamlessly transitions into its larger cosmic dance, a breathtaking ballet within the vastness of space. Our home, so seemingly solid and stationary, is in fact a dynamic participant in the grand ballet of the universe. Fact 76 reminds us of Earth's elegant orbital path around the Sun, a precisely choreographed elliptical journey that defines our year and dictates the rhythms of life. This orbital dance is not solitary. The Moon, our constant companion, plays a crucial role. Fact 77 highlights the Moon's profound effect on tides, its gravitational pull subtly yet powerfully shaping our oceans, creating the ebb and flow that has long fascinated humanity. Yet this celestial waltz occurs at an astonishing velocity. Fact 78 reveals the Earth's incredible speed through space, hurtling around the Sun at approximately 67 miles per hour, while simultaneously rotating on its axis and participating in the Milky Way's galactic rotation. It's a dizzying pace that we rarely perceive. This cosmic perspective also leads us to ponder our place among the stars. Fact 79 delves into the concept of Earth-like exoplanets, worlds discovered orbiting distant stars, igniting hopes and scientific quests for other habitable zones, reflections of our own blue marble. However, the Sun, our life-giving star, also presents challenges. Fact 80 describes the impact of solar winds, streams of charged particles constantly emanating from the Sun. While mostly harmless, these winds can interact with Earth's magnetic field, causing geomagnetic storms that can disrupt technology and create the stunning aurorae. Our galactic address is also a significant detail. Fact 81 places the Earth's position in the Milky Way galaxy, nestled within one of its spiral arms, a relatively quiet region far from the chaotic galactic center. Despite the immense distances, we are not entirely alone in our immediate cosmic neighborhood. Fact 82 identifies the closest star to Earth, besides our Sun, Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star located just over 4 light-years away, a tantalizing beacon in the interstellar void. Periodically, our planet encounters debris from space, leading to captivating displays. Fact 83 explains the phenomenon of meteor showers, where Earth passes through trails of cosmic dust left by comets, creating streaks of light across the night sky as tiny particles burn up in our atmosphere. While beautiful, some celestial visitors can pose a threat. Fact 84 addresses the occasional near-miss asteroids, rocky bodies whose orbits bring them uncomfortably close to Earth, serving as a stark reminder of the dynamic nature of our solar system and the potential for cosmic impacts. Back on Earth, another key aspect of its cosmic dance influences our daily lives. Fact 85 details the Earth's tilt and seasons. This axial tilt, approximately 23.5 degrees, means different parts of the planet receive varying amounts of direct sunlight throughout its orbit, giving rise to the distinct seasons we experience. The conditions for life on Earth are remarkably precise, a concept encapsulated by Fact 86, the Goldilocks zone. This refers to the habitable region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, neither too hot nor too cold, a critical ingredient for life as we know it. Protecting this precious environment is Fact 87, the Earth's protective magnetosphere. Generated by the planet's molten iron core, this invisible shield deflects harmful solar wind particles and cosmic rays, safeguarding our atmosphere and the life within it. Even the very essence of life on Earth, its abundant water, has an extraterrestrial connection. Fact 88 explores the origin of Earth's water, with scientific theories suggesting that a significant portion was delivered by comets and asteroids impacting the young Earth billions of years ago. Looking far into the future, Fact 89 contemplates the Earth's ultimate destiny in the solar system. Billions of years from now, as the sun expands into a red giant, it will eventually engulf our planet, a distant, inevitable conclusion to Earth's cosmic journey. This profound perspective leaves us with a powerful revelation. Earth is a tiny, precious oasis in an immense and often hostile universe, a fragile miracle sustained by an intricate cosmic dance. The profound perspective of Earth as a tiny, precious oasis in an immense and often hostile universe naturally shifts focus to humanity's role within this delicate balance. Our presence, while seemingly insignificant on a cosmic scale, has profoundly altered the very planet that sustains us. This brings us to the segment dedicated to humanity's footprint and future, a critical examination of our responsibility and influence on Earth's wonders. A stark illustration of this impact is Fact 90, the amount of plastic waste in oceans. Millions of tons of plastic debris accumulate in oceanic gyres, forming vast patches that threaten marine life and ecosystems. From microscopic particles ingested by plankton to large items entangling whales and turtles, plastic has infiltrated every level of the marine food web, a testament to humanity's pervasive influence. This environmental degradation contributes directly to Fact 91, the alarming rate of species extinction. Human activities, including habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change, are driving species to extinction at a pace far exceeding natural background rates, potentially initiating the sixth mass extinction event in Earth's history. The loss of biodiversity weakens ecosystems, making them more vulnerable to further disruption and diminishing the planet's overall resilience. Central to many of these challenges are Fact 92, the pervasive effects of climate change. Rising global temperatures, melting glaciers, extreme weather events, and sea level rise are all direct consequences of increased greenhouse gas emissions from human industrial activities. This phenomenon alters fundamental planetary systems, from atmospheric circulation to ocean currents, with far-reaching and often catastrophic implications for both natural and human systems. Linked to this is Fact 93, the rapid depletion of natural resources. From fossil fuels to fresh water and fertile land, humanity is consuming Earth's finite resources at an unsustainable rate, driven by growing populations and consumption patterns. This depletion not only exacerbates environmental issues, but also fuels geopolitical tensions and economic instability. The sheer scale of our presence is highlighted by Fact 94, the relentless human population growth. Billions of people now inhabit Earth, each requiring food, water, shelter, and energy, placing immense pressure on the planet's carrying capacity. This exponential growth underpins many of the environmental challenges we face, transforming landscapes and demanding ever more from natural systems. So significant is this impact that scientists have proposed Fact 95, the concept of the Anthropocene epoch. This unofficial geological epoch suggests that human activities have become the dominant force shaping Earth's geology and ecosystems, leaving a distinct and lasting mark on the planet's future geological record. Despite these daunting challenges, there is hope. Fact 96 points to the immense potential for renewable energy. Technologies like solar, wind, and geothermal power offer sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels, capable of meeting global energy demands without exacerbating climate change. Embracing these sources is crucial for a sustainable future. Hand in hand with technological solutions are Fact 97, the vital efforts in conservation and preservation. Dedicated individuals, organizations, and governments are working tirelessly to protect endangered species, restore degraded habitats, and establish protected areas, recognizing the intrinsic value of Earth's biodiversity and the services healthy ecosystems provide. However, destructive practices persist. Fact 98 reveals the devastating impact of deforestation. Large-scale clearing of forests, particularly rainforests, for agriculture, logging, and development, destroys critical habitats, releases stored carbon into the atmosphere, and disrupts hydrological cycles, contributing significantly to climate change and biodiversity loss. Counteracting such practices, Fact 99 offers the potential for sustainable living practices. This encompasses a holistic approach to human existence, emphasizing reduced consumption, waste reduction, circular economies, and a deeper respect for ecological limits. Adopting these practices on a global scale could fundamentally shift humanity's relationship with the planet, moving towards a regenerative and harmonious coexistence. The ultimate fate of Earth and humanity's role in it hangs in the balance. The choices made today will determine the trajectory of life on this planet for millennia to come. This awareness leaves us with a profound sense of suspense, as the future remains unwritten, shaped by every action and inaction. The ultimate fate of Earth and humanity's role in it hangs in the balance. The choices made today will determine the trajectory of life on this planet for millennia to come. This awareness leaves us with a profound sense of suspense, as the future remains unwritten, shaped by every action and inaction. Yet, amidst the challenges and the delicate balance, one fact stands above all others, a testament to the sheer miracle of our home. This brings us to Fact 100, Earth's unique ability to sustain complex life. It is not merely a planet with water or an atmosphere. It is a meticulously calibrated system, a cosmic dance of geological forces, atmospheric shielding, and biological ingenuity that has fostered an astonishing tapestry of life. From the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountain peaks, from microscopic organisms to colossal whales, life thrives in countless forms, each intricately connected, each contributing to the planet's vibrant pulse. This singular capability, so rare in the vast emptiness of the cosmos, is the most incredible fact of all. We have journeyed through 100 incredible facts about Earth, peeling back layers of familiarity to reveal a world far more complex, dynamic, and astonishing than most could ever imagine. We explored its true shape, its fiery core, the slow-motion ballet of tectonic plates, and the lifeblood of its oceans. We marveled at the powerful forces that sculpt its surface, volcanoes, glaciers, and meteor strikes, and the relentless cycles of water and carbon that sustain it. We delved into the boundless resilience of life itself, from ancient organisms to the extremophiles thriving in unimaginable conditions, highlighting the intricate web of ecosystems that blanket the globe. Our gaze then turned upwards to the atmospheric enigmas, the protective shield that cradles us, producing breathtaking auroras and powerful storms, yet also maintaining the delicate balance of gases essential for breath. We ventured beneath the surface, into hidden worlds of supervolcanoes, deep mines, and underground oceans, sensing the Earth's constant seismic hum. Then, we expanded our perspective, placing Earth within its cosmic dance, a precious oasis hurtling through space, influenced by its sun and moon, a tiny blue marble in an immense universe. Finally, we confronted humanity's undeniable footprint, acknowledging our impact on this magnificent planet, both destructive and, hopefully, regenerative. This journey has underscored Earth's multifaceted wonders, a constant interplay of power and fragility. It is a world of breathtaking beauty, from the vibrant hues of a sunset to the serene majesty of ancient forests, from the crushing depths of the Marianas Trench to the dizzying heights of Everest. Yet, it is also incredibly fragile, its delicate systems susceptible to disruption, its balance easily tipped. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the soil that nourishes us, all are products of billions of years of intricate processes, easily taken for granted, yet profoundly vulnerable. The most exciting revelation is the ongoing nature of discovery. Even after exploring 100 incredible facts, countless mysteries remain. Every day, scientists uncover new species, map unexplored ocean floors, probe deeper into the Earth's mantle, and gaze further into the cosmos, constantly refining our understanding of this planet. The journey of understanding Earth is never truly over. It is an eternal quest, a continuous unveiling of wonders that challenge our perceptions and expand our imagination. Our connection to this planet is undeniable, profound, and inescapable. We are not merely inhabitants. We are an integral part of its story, products of its evolution, and stewards of its future. The Earth is not just a place we live. It is a living entity that sustains us, inspires us, and demands our respect. Therefore, let this exploration be more than just a collection of facts. Let it be a call to action, an invitation to look at our world with renewed wonder and a deeper sense of responsibility. Explore its hidden corners, advocate for its protection, and strive to live in harmony with its natural rhythms. The journey of understanding Earth is never truly over, and it begins with each one of us.